child abduction alert. We interrupt this program to bring you this time-sensitive message. The Minneapolis Police Department is searching for an abducted 20-year-old male named Ray. Ray is a black boy. He was last seen wearing a gray t-shirt, black pants, and white shoes, and was last seen at 12th Avenue and Lake Street, Minneapolis. Minneapolis police are looking for a suspect, black male, in connection with this abduction. Suspect was last seen driving a 2008 white Buick Enclave, Minnesota, license number HTH234, heading east on Lake Street. If you have any information regarding this missing child, call the Minneapolis Police Department at 612-348-234-54911. Anyone who may locate the suspect should take no action other than contact the police as soon as possible. Stay tuned for further instructions.
Take back your privacy online with DuckDuckGo. Privacy